So the only tools needed for this install is this screwdriver and the handle, and this tool is located in the trunk of the vehicle. Welcome, my name is Van. Today we're going to be doing a rear taillight install on a 2008 Audi TT. So the tools that are going to be needed for this install are located in the trunk. So let's get started. So you're going to open up this floor panel, and inside comes with a screwdriver, and this is the only tool necessary for this job. So using the flathead, go ahead and pop this cover open from the top. And using the same tool, you're just going to remove the screwdriver. And using the handle, you're going to stick it right here to unscrew this. And there's a screw that you're going to pull out. So after removing the screw, you're going to push the bottom part of the tail light, and you're going to push it forward, and the side right here is going to pop out, and then you're going to be able to slide it straight back. Now after you remove your tail light, there's only going to be one wire harness connected. You're going to press on the tab and go ahead and disconnect the wire harness. So now that we're ready to install our Spyder tail light, go ahead and grab the wire harness, and there's only one wire harness. Go ahead and connect it. Make sure you press it in all the way until it clicks, and then make sure this inner side goes over the body panel. Carefully slide it in, and then push the outside in until it pops in place. Now go ahead and grab your screw and screw it in. And then using the handle, go ahead and tighten down the bolt. Put the cover back on, close up the floor panel, close the trunk. Now after following those steps, go ahead and repeat the process to the opposite side. And this should be the end result.